Motors family. This is the 1999 Honda CRV. It comes with 66,323 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, as y'all can see, 106,738. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 66,323. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support from each and every one of you guys. We really do appreciate y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.